video is going to be short. I wanted to let you guys know about a webinar that's coming up tomorrow that's going to be about passive solar greenhouses, and my buddies Rob Avis and Luke Callahan have built an online course about passive solar greenhouses, and it's going to feature exclusively my greenhouse, and we've made improvements to it. So if you guys have been following my vlogs or my videos for a while, I'm often in this greenhouse. It is really the backbone of our operation. We wouldn't be able to do the things that we do, like running our farm year-round, without this greenhouse, and it's been absolutely crucial to our microgreens production. Right now, we do about $1,000 a week, at least year-round, of microgreens in this greenhouse, and that's relatively easy to do. We don't have a ton of production in here, and we could easily scale this up. So right now, we've got a decent amount of stuff out here, but if I wanted to turn up the dial in this greenhouse, I would just literally turn up the heat and increase my growing cycles. But I don't need to do that right now because we're selling everything that we're producing. And the key with these types of greenhouses is you've got to have the market to take all the stuff. And right now in our current marketplace, we've maxed out more or less what our market will demand. But it's always possible to scale more. I've been collaborating with Rob Avis for a while now, and he was here over the winter. Him and I shot some of the content that is in this online course for the passive solar greenhouse, and what he did is he took the drawings from my greenhouse and re-engineered them based on all the things that I think I would have done better. So this greenhouse here that you see is the updated version. What we've done is we've raised up the back roof to let more light in, but we've also installed better ventilation there, as well as better ventilation on the front. We've changed a lot of things with this actually, and if you want these plans, just join the course. They're worth thousands of dollars. I paid to have the plans for this. I think I paid around $2,000 to have the plans just for this. So these plans are engineered and they're better based on all the feedback that I've recorded with this thing over the last 2 years. We've been running this for over 2 years now, and I've recorded everything with it. I've recorded my energy consumption, the production we get out of it, and you know, these greenhouses are super efficient. Like, it really only costs me, so I have solar on my house, so let's just pretend that I don't have solar. It costs about $4,000 a year in energy to keep this greenhouse going, so that's all winter and all that. Now that I have solar on my house, that cost is almost gone. But it's super efficient, and the fact that I've got a place that is a steady 20 degrees Celsius, even at the coldest times in the winter, offers us a lot of freedom. One is to keep the production going so that we have constant microgreens going all winter, but it's also a place that's warm that we can work in. And that has a lot of advantages too, because then I don't have to have another space to do our packing in. It's all done in this greenhouse. So with this new design, we've put all those things into consideration. What I would change, how we would change it, and you basically get these designs. So it's, frankly, the cost of the course isn't even really the real price of what these designs would be worth if you paid an engineer to get them. So anyways, this webinar is tomorrow, Wednesday. I'm gonna leave the link below. Check it out, because I get so many people that ask me for the designs for this greenhouse. So this is where you can get them. They're cheaper than the designs that I paid for, so there you go. I've had so many people that have asked me this over the years, so it's all there. I hope to see you guys in there. I will be in that webinar. We'll be taking questions and showing you what these greenhouses are all about. All right, talk to you guys later.